Yo, AutoAce fam! Kung iniisip mong mag-switch to electric motorcycle this 2026, malamang ito ang pinakadahilan mo. Tipid ba talaga? Because let's be honest, yan ang pinakamalaking selling point ng EV. But today, we're going to answer the real question. Malaki ba talaga ang savings? Or medyo overrated lang? Let's go! First, gas motorcycle cost. Typical scooter is 40 to 50 kilometers per liter. Gas price is around 60 to 70 pesos per liter. For daily use, around 80 to 150 per day. Monthly, around 2,500 to 4,000. Now, electric motorcycle cost. Charging per full battery is around 20 to 60. It ranges around 60 to 120 kilometers. For a daily cost, it's around 20 to 50. Monthly, around 500 to 1,500 lang. So direct comparison tayo. Ang gas, 2,500 to 4,000 a month. And electric is 500 to 1,500 a month. Savings, it's around 2K to 3K per month. So yes, malaki talaga ang tipid sa fuel.
Wow!
But here's what people don't include. Battery replacement. After a few years, kailangan mo palitan. Yung cost, around 20 to 60,000 pesos. So if you divide mo yan, may hidden cost ka rin. Charging setup. If may sariling outlet ka, no problem. Pero if wala, hassle, indirect cost. Ngayong gas bikes, mas madaling ibenta. Ang EV, mas mahirap and lower resale for now. Gas motorcycle, oil change, filters, engine parts. For electric motorcycles, less moving parts, lower maintenance. So EV wins here. If your usage is daily commute, short distance, at same route, EV savings are real. But if long rides, unpredictable travel, no charging access, savings become less practical. So, malaki ba talaga ang tipid? Yes, but not as simple as you think. EV will save you fuel costs and maintenance, but you will still pay battery replacement, charging limitations, flexibility loss. Final truth, EV is cheaper to run, but not zero-cost riding. And the real answer is, sulit siya kung swak sa lifestyle mo. AutoAce fam, after seeing the real numbers, mag-EV ka pa rin ba? Or stick muna sa gas? If this helped you understand the reality, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone planning to switch. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.